Just got your new Noise Defy ANC headphones? Let's get you all set up. Before we begin, make sure that your smartphone and Noise Defy are next to each other and the headphones are fully charged. Done? Let's start. Power on. Long press the power button for 2 seconds to turn the headphones on. Power off. Long press the power button for 2 seconds to turn the headphones off. Pairing. Long press the power button for 2 seconds to turn the headphones on. The LED will flash red and blue, indicating that the headphones are in pairing mode. Turn on the Bluetooth on your device and go to the Bluetooth menu. Now select Add Device, and from the list of devices, select Noise Defy to pair. Note, the LED will flash blue, indicating that the headphones are now paired and ready to use. Active noise cancellation. Reduce the unwanted sound and background noises with the Active Noise Cancellation feature. You can use this feature in Noise Defy even when the headphones are turned off or when they are wired. Long press the noise cancelling button until the LED turns green. Long press the noise cancelling button for 1 second to turn off the noise cancellation feature. Make sure to turn off Active Noise Cancellation feature while turning off the headphones. Otherwise, it will remain on and drain the battery. Music and volume control. Music control. To play or pause, press the power button once. To go to the next song, press and hold the plus button for 1 second. To go back to the previous song, press and hold the minus button for 1 second. Volume control. To increase the volume, short press the plus button. To decrease the volume, short press the minus button. Call controls and voice assistant. To answer an incoming call, press the power button once. To end a call, press the power button once. To reject an incoming call, long press the power button. Activating voice assistant. In order to activate the voice assistant on your Android or iPhone, long press the power button for 1 second. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.